Today we're going to make unpacking of early rider Seeker model and see what's inside this box. I have a feeling that there is a real beast inside here, that it's made not just for kids who like to ride, but for kids who like to push their limits. And this is exactly what we're gonna do this summer with this bicycle, but for that a little bit later. This is Eva, our early rider. So Eva, what do you expect from this bicycle?
Очаквам да колелото да е стабилно, да се качвам по негодъчта, да е удобно и да карам спокойно и силно.
So one of the highlights of this bike is that it's offering huge gearing range. In this case, this is Sunrace cassette 1146. Eva, do you know what does it mean? That it means that your wish just came true. The packaging seems perfect. The bike is well wrapped with bubble folio and also with protection foam. And now we'll do some unwrapping. Eva will do some of the assembly because we need to teach our young riders, our early riders, not only to ride their bikes but also how to maintain them so they can be always in good condition and serve them for many miles to come. With the bike there is a parts kit that is coming, so inside I guess we can find what we need, so let's have a look. Do you like this specific finishing?
Yes.
So this is aluminum frame, hand brushed. It's very light. It looks amazing really, and we'll inspect the welds so you can see that it's beautifully handcrafted. It looks really amazing. For the moment, I'm gonna install this. With minimal adjustments, which are completely normal, I was able to get the shifting just perfect, and soon we're gonna ride. We finished with the assembly of early rider. I'm waiting Eva to come back. I guess she'll be pretty excited because she's gonna be cycling thousands of kilometers this summer with this bicycle. As I said in the beginning, I will reveal a little bit more about the project that we're gonna have this summer. We'll start from France and then we will make our way towards Bulgaria. So it was very important for us that we have a good bike, and this bike seems to be made exactly for tough adventures and for kids and families that want to push their limits and see how further they can go. About the performance of the bike and the components, we will be giving regular updates as we go along the way. This will be the real test for early rider Seeker 24 when we hit the road and we start facing some difficulties along the way. It's just perfect. Last week we were cycling here, but Eva was with her other bike, and I can tell you that the difference is huge between what she was riding before and what she's riding now. When I was doing the unpacking and the assembly of the bike, it felt that this bike is very well made and robust and supplied with top quality components. But now when I'm on the trail, I can see that my first impressions were not wrong. It's just amazing what confidence well designed and engineered bicycle can give to your kids. I'm seeing Eva now with the Seeker 24 and she quickly adapts to her new bike and it's becoming more adventurous rider. Eva, what do you think about the bike?
Много добре се качваме на гордещата. Също скоростите се сведят много добре. Колелото е много удобно и като се качваме на гордещата е много удобно.